Hey, what's up, guys? This is Sohan, and you are watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, this is a kind of a conclusion video because this is one of the very biggest series which we have covered in our channel, which has almost 40 videos. Okay, because Symantec is one of the product from where I have started my career in the year of 2012. Okay, so I'm really was excited while doing this entire series and try to provide you as much as knowledge during all these videos. And I'm pretty sure that whoever is watching this video from start to end, okay, that person is going to learn lots of things. And this is going to be very useful whether you are fresher, kind of beginner, intermediate, or expert level. Wherever you are stuck, this particular series is going to help you a lot, because in entire series I never use PPT, PDF, anything. We are directly showcasing each and everything on the console, so that there is no time pass. We are directly touching the crucial part for which we have been created. So there is no any misleading contents or whatever mentioned in the video title or video banner. Okay, you will get the exact content in the entire video. And guys, so many people are requesting me to, sir, please share the SOW, POA or implementation document. So guys, I do have those type of stuff, but the only issue is I'm providing all those things to the pro members. So if you are a member, okay, there is a join button on my channel homepage. Okay, simply click on join button, and there is a couple of membership available, and documents are getting provided to the pro as well as VIP member. So if you need those documents, then yeah, you can go ahead and become a member and just ping me on the Telegram or WhatsApp. Okay, that I have become a member. Share the screenshot, and I'll help you with the documentation. For first month, you will get any one document, and from going forward, the way you are renewing your membership, you will get more and more documents. You just have to say I need this document, and I'll provide you. Additionally, one of the members have asked me, I guess his name is Srinivasan. I'll just post his comment as well, that what are the precautions or things needs to be considered while upgrading SAP agent as well as SAPM server from older version to new version. So to answer his queries, the thing is, guys, while you upgrade your application or agent, there are let's cover first about the SAPM server. So very first things, you will have to make sure that your space, okay, because sometimes when you are upgrading your application, your database is getting dumped out from the MDF file, okay, to LDF. So that time your disk space gets twice larger. So that space you have to consider. Second thing, whether you are in for very much older version and you would like to go to the top version, then the upgrade path, right? From which version to which version you can directly go. Okay, so that has to be considered. Then third one is release notes. So when you are upgrading your SAPM server, then always check out what are the new features are getting introduced or existing issues got fixed in the older version to new version. And if this is really applicable to you, if yes, please upgrade. If not, just hold and always stay with the N-1, N-2 version, so that if anything new is, if there could be any product issue or something, so that you will be always stay away. So that's the reason always, and even if you plan to upgrade, then do that into the UAT or test environment, so that if anything goes wrong, you will be able to isolate that. And before performing any critical activity on the SAPM server, make sure that you are taking entire your SAPM as well as SQL Server backup. Okay, so that in case of any issue or a disaster, you will be able to perform your disaster recovery. And we have videos for each and everything on the channel. Only the thing is, some of the videos may be restricted, so you will have to become a member. Okay, so that you will get access to each and every video which is available on the channel with the help of insider membership. And if you are going with the higher membership, then yeah, there are some of the other perks which you can get benefits. And again, I would like to show you very much thankful that probably all your love, support, and the wonderful feedback. Because whenever I open any video and go to the comment section, okay, I'm get all your positive comments, feedbacks. It keeps me motivated to create more and more contents. So just keep showering your love and keep me motivated, and I'll create more and more videos for you guys. And guys, since this particular series is already been ended with this particular video, the next series will be very interesting, because I never expected when I raised my poll for the, in the member section, that so many people have voted for very much different products. Okay, and I was also very much happy that people are showing interest in learning new things. Okay, so as per best of my knowledge on which product I have expertise, people have voted for that particular tool. All through whatever products I have mentioned in my poll, people showed interest for the another product. Okay, and there so many people have voted, so I decided to create video on that particular tool. And what will be that product? So that is something you will get in my next video. Okay, when we start that series, and I'll show you how many votes I have got. And okay, as I said, only members can able to participate in that particular voting system. So if you also want me to create a new video on any of the tool, then you will have to vote for that. Okay, so let's cut this video here, because I just wanted to thank you. That's the reason I have created this conclusion video, and we'll end this series here. So again, thank you all for showing your love and support and trust on the channel. Bye bye.